if you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in Overwatch 2. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart battle, net client. Close the battle, net client completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection and may resolve temporary glitches that cause the installation loop. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the battle, net cache folder and delete its contents. This can help eliminate corrupted files that might be causing the installation issues. Restart the client after clearing the cache. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the battle, net client and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the installation process to proceed without interruptions. Step 5. Reinstall battle, net client. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the battle, net client. This can fix any underlying issues with the client itself that may be affecting the installation of Overwatch 2. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing Overwatch 2. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.